Hello students, good morning and Jai Swaminarayan. I hope you all are good. Welcome back in a class 5th. Welcome back in a class 5. In the last video we learned about one more bar graph, right? In the last video we learned about one more bar graph. In this video means today we will learn one more bar graph, right? So in this lecture bar graph is for bar graph of passenger choosing transport to travel from Junagadh to Rajkot in the 5 days, right? Bar graph of passenger choosing a transport to travel from Junagadh to Rajkot in a 5 days. So write down here first which type of bar graph here? Bar graph of a passenger choosing bar graph of a passenger choosing transport to travel from Junagadh to Rajkot in a 5 days. In a 5 days, right? Bar graph of passenger choosing transport to travel from Junagadh to Rajkot in a 5 days. Here we got some information about some two categories of a transport and number of passengers. So we draw here one table. There is a 3 columns in the table. First we draw one table and there is a 3 columns in the table, right? First column is for day. Second column name is bus. And third column name is train. In the table we have 3 columns. First column is for day and second column is for bus and third column is for a train. Right? How many days in the bar graph? In a 5 days. So here we take a first day 1, then day 2, day 3, day 4, and the last day is day 5. Right? Here our table is doing ready. Right. On a day, 10 passengers choose bus and 20 passengers choose a train to travel from Junagadh to Rajkot. On day 2, 20 passengers choose a bus and 15 passengers choose a train to travel, right? Day 3, 35 passengers choose a bus and 30 passengers choose a train. On day 4, 25 passengers choose a bus and also 25 passengers choose a train to travel from Junagadh to Rajkot. And day 5, 15 Passenger choose a bus to travel and 20 passengers choose a train to travel from Junagadh to Rajkot on the day 5. So here we got our information. It is our information table, right? Now, what we do now? Now we want to draw one bar graph of this information, right? So what we do? First, how many axes in this bar graph? Two axes. One axis is a x-axis, it is a horizontal line, and second is y-axis, and y is a vertical line, right? What we take on a x-axis and what we take on a y-axis. So on the x-axis we take a day 1 to 5. On the x-axis we take a day 1 to 5, and on the y-axis we take a numbers of our passengers, right? So we draw here our table. Sorry, we draw here our bar graph. This is our y-axis, and this is our x-axis. Write down here y, and it is our x-axis, right? What we take on the x-axis? We take here days. We take here days, right? So day starts from day 1. Day 2, day 3, day 4, and in the last day 5. Right? Now we take a number from the y-axis. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and in the last 40. What is this? This is the number of passengers. Number of passengers on y-axis. Now we draw a bar graph over day 1. How many passengers choose a bus? 10. So what we do? We find out day 1 on the x-axis here and 10 on the y-axis. So here. So we draw a bar graph for a bus. And also 20 passengers choose a train on a day 1. So for day 1 we draw a second bar graph on the day 1 here. So day 1 here and 20 is here. So draw here. Now this is bar graph for a bus and this is for a train. So we write down here is equal to bus and is equal to train. Like that it is our bus bar graph and like that it is our train bar graph, right? Next, on day 2, how many passengers choose a bus? So we can say that 20 passengers choose a bus on day 2. So find out first day 2 on x-axis and 20 on y-axis. So here our 20 and here our day 2. So we draw a first bar graph for a bus. Right? And how many passengers choose a train on a day 2? 15. So once again find out day 2 on x-axis and 15 on y-axis. So we can see that here our 15. So we draw here second bar graph for day 2. We choose a bar graph for a bus like that. So it is our bus bar graph. So we do it like design like that. Right? It is our done a bar graph for day 2. On the day 3, 35 passengers choose a bus. Right? On the day 3, 35 passengers choose a bus. So first find out day 3 on x-axis and 35 on y-axis. So we can say that 35 is here and day 3 is here. So we draw here. Here our 35 and here our day 3. So draw for a bar graph for a bus on day 3. So we draw here. It is for a bus. And how many passengers choose a train on a day 3? 30. So once again what we do? First we find out day 3 on x-axis and 30 on a y-axis, right? So day 3 is here and 30 is here on the y-axis. So we draw here bar graph for a bus on a day 3. Sorry, for a train. Right? Now we draw a bar graph for a day 4. So how many passengers choose a bus? 25. Right? So to find out day 4 on a y-axis, sorry, x-axis and 25. Find out the 25 on a y-axis. So day 4 is here and 25 is here. So we draw here bus bar graph for day 4. And same passenger choose a train on a train day 4. 25 students, sorry, 25 passengers choose a train on a day 4. So once again we draw here from here. This bar graph is for a train on a day 4. Right? Then next is day 5. How many passengers choose a bus? 15. So first find out day 5 on x-axis here and 15 on the y-axis. You can see here 15 is here. Right? So we draw here first bar graph of a bus on a day 5. Right? This is the bar graph for a bus on day 5. And how many passengers choose a train on a day 5? We can say that 20. So first what we do? First we find out the day 5 on x-axis and 20 on the y-axis. Here is 20 and here our day 5. So we draw here our bar graph. This is for train bar graph on a day 5. So here you can see that our bar graph is ready for day 1 to 5 for a passenger choose a transport to travel from Junagadh to Rajkot. Two types of transport. First is bus and second is train. So our bar graph is ready for here. Right? So this is the one bar graph. So thank you students for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe. Jai Swaminarayan.